And so we made an arrangement and brought Kevin over to speak at our hospital. So our group is actually a group of about 12 doctors out of a much larger network of doctors at NYU Langone. And Kevin came and spoke to our group specifically about the hidden agenda. He spoke over the course of about an hour, and it was really like being in the audience of a motivational speaker. I mean, it was absolutely fascinating just hearing with gusto and with this vivid recollection of all of these events over the course of his life. My group that I work with were just dumbfounded by the whole of the experience. We learned so much from Kevin, from his stories of his time at Marriott very, very early on, to his time at McCann Erickson and Lowe International, and especially the MasterCard campaign, and some of the things that came out of that really impressed us, that really, I think, imprinted on us, was talking about credo. And talking about a belief system. And I am a firm believer that, like Kevin relates in his book, that we can, our patients can follow us if they believe in us. And you know, with healthcare, people don't tend to trust just anybody with the whole of themselves. And so it's a really powerful thing. It's a very powerful feeling to have, you know, your patients put all of this value and trust in you when you show them that you have a belief or a belief system that coincides with them in this. And to this day, people still, you know, almost a year later, people are still talking about, you know, that speech, that tour de force that he gave to us that day. So it was very memorable. It definitely helped us out in our profession, and we would love to have Kevin come back at any point to share even more lessons from his life with our group.